Hi, I'm Luis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to cook some eggs. We're going to do 2 over easy eggs. The trick is just flipping the eggs, so I'm going to show you step by step the easiest way to go about that. First and foremost, we're going to go ahead and light our grill, or stove I should say. Okay, so we've got a nice flame coming out of there, and I want to lower it. I don't want it on the highest heat. Eggs are really fragile. Again, this is an aluminum Teflon coated saute pan, okay, which works really good for eggs. And this aluminum is going to heat up rather quickly, especially because I'm using the gas range. So I'm going to slice off just a little bit of butter here and put that inside the pan, and he'll start to melt rather quickly. And a lot of times people will put a heat that's just a little too extreme on the underneath side of the pan, and it tends to throw off your eggs. As I said, eggs are kind of fragile and you don't want to bully them. Alright, so I've got this guy cranked up a little bit. Before it gets too hot, I want to drop these eggs in. Again, I'm using a cold egg right out of the refrigerator. So I'm going to drop him in. And then I'm going to crack this guy. If you notice, the white of the egg starts to cook almost immediately upon hitting the pan. Once you've got a completely white base to the eggs, that's usually a good time to flip them. And at the same time, once you've gotten that solid base there, it's going to allow you to move these guys around and swirl them a little bit so that they will flip a lot easier. And you can probably hear the sizzling that'll occur on the outside rim of the eggs. Alright, so we've got a nice firm white, and these eggs are sliding around the way that we want them to, so that they'll be a lot more easy to flip. And I like to keep the yolks closer to the edge of the pan so that you're just kind of laying them over. A lot of people think of flipping the whole pan this way, and that's going to create havoc in the kitchen as well as a mess. So just get these guys centered at 12 o'clock and just kind of lay them over like that. Just a nice fluid motion. Okay, and that yolk is going to cook rather quickly. So we're going to flip him around that way. And those are over easy eggs. And we want to go ahead and get them out of the pan because eggs are very, very fragile and sensitive, so they're just going to keep cooking. So I'll slide those off onto the pan that way. And that is a couple of over easy eggs. You'll notice the yolk is still moving a little bit, but it's nice and warm. We've got a nice even color on the whites on the tops as well as the bottom.